Is meat good for people to eat? Hey there, food lovers. Ever stopped mid-bite to wonder, is this piece of meat actually good for me? Today, we're sinking our teeth into one of the hottest debates in the culinary world, meat consumption. From the juicy benefits to the potentially not-so-savory downsides, we're exploring whether meat deserves a spot on your plate. So grab a snack, meat or not, and let's dive in. Let's take a quick trip back in time. Did you know that meat has played a significant role in human evolution? Our ancestors were hunter-gatherers, and consuming meat might have been a key factor in the growth of our brains. Fast forward to today, meat isn't just food, it's culture. Think of the festive turkey at Thanksgiving, the savory kebabs in Middle Eastern cuisine, or the sumptuous sushi in Japan. Across the globe, meat holds a special place in traditions and celebrations. So, what's the big deal with meat anyway? Let's talk nutrition. Firstly, meat is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in our bodies. Protein helps keep our muscles strong, supports enzyme production, and even boosts our immune system. Beyond protein, meat is packed with vital nutrients. Vitamin B12, crucial for nerve function and the production of DNA, is naturally found almost exclusively in animal products. Iron in meat provides heme iron, which is more readily absorbed by our bodies compared to the non-heme iron in plants. Iron helps transport oxygen in our blood. Zinc is important for immune function, DNA synthesis, and cell division. Selenium plays a key role in metabolism and thyroid function. But remember, not all meats are created equal. Red meat such as beef, lamb, and pork is rich in iron and B vitamins, but can be higher in saturated fats. Poultry like chicken and turkey are leaner options with lower saturated fat content. Fish and seafood are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart and brain health. Eating a variety of meats can help you get a range of nutrients beneficial for overall health. Now, let's flip the coin. While meat has its perks, there are some potential health risks to consider. High intake of red and processed meats has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. This is partly due to the saturated fats and cholesterol found in these meats, which can raise LDL bad cholesterol levels. The World Health Organization classifies processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning there's strong evidence they can cause cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. Red meats are classified as Group 2A, probably carcinogenic to humans. The exact mechanisms aren't fully understood, but it's thought that compounds formed during meat processing or cooking at high temperatures may contribute to cancer risk. So does this mean you should quit meat cold turkey? Not necessarily. Moderation is key. Limiting the intake of processed meats and balancing your diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help mitigate risks. It's not just about personal health. Meat production impacts our planet too. Greenhouse gas emissions from livestock farming contribute significantly to greenhouse gases, notably methane produced by cows. Methane is over 25 times more potent than carbon dioxide when it comes to trapping heat in the atmosphere. Deforestation occurs as vast areas of forests are cleared to create pasture land or grow feed crops for animals. This deforestation leads to habitat loss for countless species and reduces the planet's capacity to absorb carbon dioxide. Meat production is also water-intensive. For example, producing 1 pound of beef can require about 1,800 gallons of water. That's enough water for about 100 showers. Reducing meat consumption or choosing sustainably raised meats can help lessen these environmental impacts. Let's talk ethics. Many animals in industrial farming are raised in cramped, stressful environments. They may face harsh conditions, limited space, and unnatural growth processes. This raises important questions about animal welfare. Do the ends justify the means when it comes to our dietary preferences? Moreover, awareness of these practices has led many to adopt vegetarian or vegan lifestyles, or to seek out meat from farms that prioritize humane treatment of animals. Ethical considerations are personal and complex, but they're a crucial part of the conversation. Looking for alternatives? The good news is there's a world of tasty options out there. Plant-based diets focus on foods derived from plants, including vegetables, grains, nuts, seeds, legumes, and fruits. They can provide all the essential nutrients when well planned. Plant proteins like lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, and tofu are not only nutritious but also versatile in cooking. Companies are innovating meat alternatives that mimic the taste and texture of meat. Lab-grown meat is also on the horizon, which could offer meat without the environmental and ethical drawbacks. Remember, if you're going meat-free, pay attention to nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids, which might require supplementation or careful dietary choices. So where does this leave us? Moderation is key. Enjoy meat in moderation. Consider limiting red and processed meats to reduce health risks. Healthy choices involve choosing lean cuts of meat and trimming visible fats. Opt for cooking methods like grilling, baking, or steaming instead of frying. Incorporate more fish and plant proteins into your meals. Fill half your plate with vegetables and fruits for added nutrients and fiber. Listen to your body. Everyone's nutritional needs are different. Consult a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to tailor dietary choices to your individual health goals. So, is meat good for you? The answer isn't black and white. Meat can be a valuable source of nutrients, but it's important to consider how much and what types you're consuming. Ultimately, the best diet is one that's balanced, sustainable, and suits your personal health needs and ethical beliefs. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more food for thought. Stay healthy and see you next time.